Nobel laureate and Pakistani activist for girls' education, Malala Yousafzai has tied the knot with the top-ranked officer of the Pakistan Cricket Board in a small ceremony in the UK. Yousafzai gained international recognition for her activism against the Taliban's effort to stop girls from attending school in Pakistan. Announcing her marriage on Twitter, the 24-year-old posted a few pictures of the ceremony along with her husband Asam Malik and family members. Decked up in a tea-pink suit and simple jewellery, Yousafzai is seen carrying out the wedding formalities in her home in Birmingham with Malik. Malik is the general manager of Pakistan Cricket Board's High Performance Centre. Announcing her marriage, she tweeted, "Today marks a precious day in my life. Asar and I tied the knot to be partners for life. We celebrated a small nikah ceremony at home in Birmingham with our families. Please send us your prayers. We are excited to walk together for the journey ahead."